Hi, so today I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute tour around how EA can help you with a B Corp certification. So one of the features we have for B Corp certification is one of our pre-built AI agents. This means the EA team has digested all of the B Corp framework for you. All 1,200 pages of the new regulations have been ingested by the AI. We have set it all up so that all you need to do is tell us your company size, sector, industry, applicable year, and if you would like to upload your previous Be Active assessment, you can do. Otherwise, you just need to have all of your policies and kind of documents in document library to run the gap analysis. I already generated one because this company has 71 questions in their kind of gap analysis. This will obviously vary per company depending on your size. It does take a little bit of time to run, maybe an hour or two. Once I go into that gap analysis, I can see here with a handy little visualization at the top how close I am to meeting the criteria, and I can see how much progress I have made here. You'll also see that we have each of the questions and the compliance criteria for each question, and then as I go in to review that question, I can see the explanation as to why I do or don't meet the data point. Here I've got partially met. You can see the evidence that it has used to generate that, and you can see the AI suggestions where we have what excellent evidence should look like, the current state of the company, and also a gap to close, so what you need to do in order to make sure that that is fully met. Each of these questions can be assigned to anyone else on the EA platform within your organisation to get their input, so you can assign it off to different departments, and then as you hit the met status, you can approve those. If, for example, you thought that actually there is more evidence, you can pop in here additional instructions as to what you thought the AI should find, and it will allow you to interact with the answer as you regenerate it. Once it's had a little time to think, there'll be a chat box that comes up at the bottom, and you can prompt the AI to look at specific documents or ask it why a specific document isn't meeting the B Corp standards. Once you've done your initial gap analysis, we can also transform this into an action plan, and you've got full AI capabilities here in terms of making yourself a policy that fits the B Corp standards or adjusting some of your policies to fit the new B Corp standards. All of this is available within your license fee, and if this is of interest to you, we'd be happy to show you more.